The 24 H.M.S clock rotation function is found within the FP tabs and the tools folder, and it allows us basically to create an analog clock, but it's not the only reason we can use it. So to begin, let's drag a arrow primitive down, and I'm going to come back into my 24-hour H.M.S clock rotation and drag this onto the arrow. We're going to go into the editor, and you can see when we dragged it onto our primitive that it picked up this clock unit seconds. This arrow is now rotating on the seconds hand. We can also change this to minutes and hours. So let's change it back to seconds. Now we have a rotation axis, which we can choose to set it to X, Y, or Z. It's set to Z by default. There's also a motion type, a digital, and a chrono. And as we change it to chrono, you can see how it just more smoothly animates now. There's also an option for reverse, so I can turn on reverse, and it goes the other way. Now if we wanted to add this or make a clock, what we could do is copy this arrow 2 more times, and now what we're going to do is change each one of these to a different settings within the clock unit. So if I want the minutes to be for that arrow and I want the arrows to be on that one, I'll just change that one to this one. What's more, if you want to come in and you can turn your arrows side to flat, you get little hands here. So like I said, it's not the only reason that you can use the arrow is for a clock. It's also a way to rotate other objects. So if we had a 3D object here, let's say, we could drag this same function down onto here and use this to rotate it. So we have an option here for the X, Y, and Z. And the seconds, unfortunately, you can't adjust the speeding of it because it's set to seconds. So if you needed a real slow rotation, you could use this seconds here and set it to digital or chrono, or change the axis or the reverse of however you want it to rotate.